Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Holly. Today I'm going to be planning in my B6 inserts from Jesenia's Printables, and the kit I'm going to be using is a leftovers kit from Scribble Prints Co. I did this last week too, and so I apologize if this is kind of repetitive and boring, but I didn't have another birthday kit that I wanted to use. In the future, I do think I will use some full kits in here, or like mini kits really, but for now I'm keeping it simple. It's my birthday week, so I'm going to do what I want. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get going with this spread. I am going to try and make it a little bit different, but we're going to keep the Simply Gilded washi because this purple washi makes me so happy, and it's my birthday week. It is, I think, my favorite Simply Gilded washi of all time. The only one that I think would rival it. I actually do love the original pink, but then also I love the, what's it called? The Sea Glass. I love Sea Glass. Sea Glass is a stunner, but we're gonna, the purple goes so well with this kit that we're gonna break it out for this spread. And you know me, when given the opportunity to bring in more purple, I'm gonna do that. So anyway, I'm thinking that for these B6 spreads, I don't know that I'm gonna film them every week, especially if I'm using leftovers. But I'm thinking that if I am gonna film them, I will try to keep them similar, like short. Last week I did it as sped up because I had like screwed stuff up and it was just easier to do it as sped up, but I'm gonna try and do this one as a talk through. And I think it'll still be pretty freaking short. Since this is mostly, as I mentioned in that plan with me, going to be my life admin planner. So it's going to have like bills due, reminders, and then just like checklists. So I am not going to have checklists in my Erin Condren. That's just like visually, I like the way it's been looking without checklists. I think it's really cute to kind of plan without checklists and kind of like a more memory keeping format. But for this planner, I do still like having a place to like brain dump at my desk at home. And it also helps if it's like pretty. I just, I don't know, I'm drawn to it more. So I am going to make this kind of that planner. And I think I'm going to use this leftover washi here. Hopefully this all fits. Let's see. Oh, I did it like a little. I should have moved these down a little bit. Okay. I'm going to have to pull these up and then reuse them because, oh, but I have the white out there. Ugh. Okay, maybe I shouldn't use this. I don't know, I kind of want to use this. I might just have to like, I'm going to trim this a little, I guess, with my X-Acto blade. Struggles already, guys. But I think I'll try to trim this a little. It's already been trimmed for the original spread. We're going to try to trim it again evenly. So I'll be right back, do that and be right back. I do really have a unique ability to lose my train of thought. So what I was trying to say before was that I think I'm going to do it similar to like how Viv and many other people do it now, which is to use like these, since this is going to be a pretty basic plan with me every week, I'm going to use it as an opportunity to answer any questions. So especially while I do all this like beginning stuff. So you guys will have to let me know for questions in the future, but I know one question that I would get, which I think is the question that people ask me the most. So I guess I'll just answer that this week. And that question is, what do I do for a living? So I work in consulting. I have worked in consulting my whole life. I don't want to get too specific just, for privacy reasons, but I do work like for healthcare clients mostly, and I have always done that, and I really enjoyed that. My background, actually, I thought I was going to be a doctor. Let me center you guys here. Okay, doesn't that look gorgeous? The next thing I am going to do is go through, I thought it'd be really cute to use these little foil date dots since these inserts from Jesenia's Printables are unnumbered. I'm going to use these little foiled date dots from My Newest Addiction. I thought they'd be so cute. So anyways, I am so I've always done that. Like I said, I thought I was going to be a doctor. I studied neuroscience in undergrad, and took the MCAT and everything, but while I was studying for the MCAT, I realized I would rather be working at my day job, which was consulting, than studying. So I was like, you know what? I don't need to sign up for like 4 years of school and then a gazillion years of training. Like, no, I'm good. Like, I will stick to my day job, and I have done it ever since, and I've really enjoyed it. I am going to go through with the checklist. I'm going to use the full box heart checklist. in this spread. I was debating using something else, but since I don't have full boxes, I think I am going to use these and just kind of scatter them around. And I'm going to use the to-do headers as well. I'm going to do it pretty similar to what I did last week, basically. So I, thought I was going to go to med school, and I'm very glad I didn't. And I really enjoy consulting in DC. You often, anyway, I don't want to get too much into specifics just for personal privacy reasons, but I hope you guys understand. And I am, so I enjoy doing that. I probably, just in case you're curious, like what a consultant does, you're basically hired to answer like problems that a client has. So whenever they have, issues or like a problem they can't solve in-house for some reason, often they don't have the staff to do it, or they need an unbiased opinion, or it's just something like that, they will bring in consultants. So I'm often doing that. The actual tasks it involves doing, I'm a pretty analysis heavy consultant, so the particular work I do is rooted in analytics. Some people do more like either what's known as like strategy consulting, or they do more like qualitative kind of style consulting. Mine is often rooted in analytics, so doing a lot in Excel. I know how to use Stata. I learned how to use Stata in my grad school program, but Stata is like a statistical analysis software. But I don't really do that anymore since I'm a manager. But I have analysts underneath me that are doing like statistical analysis, and then I work with them on interpretation, and writing it up for the client. So I do a lot of writing, a lot of slide decks, a lot of like, things like that. So I think it's really fun. I enjoy just the idea of always solving new problems, and I personally really enjoy the managing part of it. Now that I'm like a mid-manager basically, and I really enjoy mentoring young staff and teaching them and like working with them to improve. So that's all aspects of my job I really, really like. I think I'm going to do a full box heart checklist on Sunday, but I think on Saturday I might just do a little list. Let's see here. But yeah, so I really enjoy my job. I just ended up in DC by a fluke. Like that's where I got my first job out of college. I don't have any family in the area, so, but now I'm kind of like ingrained in the world here. So I will probably stay. Oh, okay, good. We have an orange little checklist for Saturday, and I'll just put that towards the middle of the day. That is very not straight. Let's put the checklist down first. So yeah, so any questions like that I can answer. I had one that was actually just by factor of talking to somebody on Instagram. We were talking about like skincare routines. So I think next week I will do that, unless you guys have a better idea, but definitely let me know down below, or just feel free to shoot me a message on Instagram if you have ideas for what you want me to chat during these boring parts. The other thing I kind of want to add, like add some of these, but I'm not sure it really makes sense now that I'm looking at it. Like, I don't know where they'd go because I don't really want two next to each other. How can we do this? Maybe I could like do this and some glitter headers. I really want to use these because I think they're so pretty. These are from ColourPop paper, and they have like this like matte goldish foil with the marble, and I just think they're gonna look gorgeous with this kit. So I'm gonna just try and like work one of these in on every day, and we're gonna go with that and see how that looks. Yeah, let's, oops, I'm gonna use this side. So I'll do one up here on Friday. Okay, I'm not feeling like it makes a ton of sense to do one on Saturday, so I guess I'll just, like, oops. So I think on Saturday, like having one down there is gonna be too cramped, and then having one up here is like right next to Friday. So I think I'm just gonna leave that blank. And I'm also just gonna add in a few glitter headers, these gold glitter headers, like just in spaces where I think it would look nice. So like on Wednesday, I feel like it would look nice up here. Maybe not here, this looks a little strange. I lied. And then on Saturday, I think it'll look good to have that there. But I think that's really all I need glitter header wise. Okay, now I can just kind of go through and plan. This is gonna be super like boring. This is just the to-do planner. The other thing I do want to go ahead and add are some of these. These are from Scribble Prints Co. I'm hoping I have enough good colors. I definitely need to order more of these if I'm going to keep using them. So I have 2 pink ones, and then what other color could work? I feel like this orange is like a little too orange. I guess I could just use the other pink. That kind of like screws over future Holly, but we'll survive. But I have these like really pale ones, but I think I'll just use these like brighter pinks. And we're gonna go with that. I really like these in this planner in particular because they're very like task oriented, I think was how I described it. Like they have things I can check off, so they like make sense in my brain to go in the to-do header or in the to-do planner more so than like a Clever Gal Crafts heart. Does that make sense? Because this is like nice because I can kind of like monitor my progress on the videos throughout the week. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these other 2. I'm trying to get up this many videos this week. We'll see how it goes. I always feel like when I plan to do 4, I end up with 3, but we're gonna try it. And I think I'm gonna put this one just over the bottom of this checklist because I don't really have room above it. And I think that works very cute. So, okay, so then let's just go day by day. Any other reminders and to-dos that I wanna do? I am, even though this isn't like the events planner, I'm gonna give myself a happy birthday on Monday because, you know, it's my birthday. So, I have, maybe I'll just take the eat all the cake one. And should I put that like in the to-do list? That would be kind of cute. Although I did like have a lot of to-dos. Oh, okay, phew, wow. I don't really have any other like to-dos I need to put down, so I could just put like a happy birthday and eat all the cake. This is from My Newest Addiction, by the way. I just like am using all the same stickers that I used in my main planner because it's just really easy to like, I'm filming this right after, so I can just have everything all there. So maybe I'll just layer this on Monday. That's really all I need. I think that's probably cute and good enough. You don't need too many to-dos on your birthday. Okay, very cute. And then on to Tuesday night, I do want to edit. And I also want to put in a reminder for new contacts. So for my contacts, I think I'll just take a little don't forget or remember sticker from, I think I'll take this little remember sticker from the My Newest Addiction and Planner Sophisticate Other collab sheet, and I'm gonna put that on top of some, maybe on top of a label from the kit. Maybe on this yellow label. Cute, even though that's like a little crooked. Can we fix it? I don't think we can. We're just gonna leave it. It's fine. And then, what else? Oh, and I wanna edit. So I think for editing, I'm gonna put down this, where is it? A larger laptop sticker from Wild Summer Designs. I just think this looks kind of cute as a way to mark out that I want to spend like a significant amount of time working on stuff. And for that, I'm going to try to pull in some washi as well. Basically just as some extra deco. Pull in this design, which is so pretty. I loved this, like these papers. Center that there just to mark down like kind of a big YouTube night. And then on Wednesday, I don't really have anything I need to do. I think I'm gonna work on cleaning up my office that night because like a lot of my editing will be done, and I like my office became a mess again. I've like actually had made really good progress on it, but I'm still kind of in the process of cleaning everything out and getting my bookshelves set up. So I'm gonna take this sticker from GP Sticker Studio to mark down that I want to spend some time organizing that night. Then on to Thursday. Thursday I do have a bill due, so for that I'm gonna take a bill due sticker from the kit, if I could find it. And so I'm just gonna pop that at the bottom of Thursday. And then I also wanna put in painting my nails. And so for that, I'm gonna take this from GP Sticker Studio, just really soft and pink for painting my nails. And then it's also trash day, so gotta put in that trash day reminder. And for that, I'm just gonna take one of these cute little recycling stickers from Planning Roses, and maybe I'll layer that with like a foiled flag, just for a little bit of extra foil. And we have the striped is kind of cute. Take that. That's from Rose Colored Days, and like this little recycling bin. Cute. And then on to Friday. Friday it is payday, so I'll just go ahead and mark that down since this is like the life admin planner that is sensible in my mind. What do I want to use? Oh, we have a cute little payday flag that I didn't use in the original spread. Add that to Friday, and then what else do I have going on Friday? Not much. Friday night I am gonna go to the grocery store, but I'm trying not to do like out of the house plans. So I think I'm just gonna take some deco. Oh, I also could have taken, I can take some washi. I'm gonna take some washi to bring in some more of these patterns. I'm gonna take a larger piece of washi here. And maybe some deco as well, just to fill in some space. And then on Saturday, I do want to like get one video filmed that morning. So I'm going to take just a little YouTube clapper here and layer that on an appointment label. Where'd that go? From the kit here. This is so cute. Oh, that's a lot of orange. So I think I'll just take that down here. Put the YouTube clapper there. And then I don't know what to put. Oh, I probably will need to edit a video, so I think I'll just, do I want the munchkin? I didn't use any munchkins so far, so I think I'm gonna hold off on the munchkins. And instead, I'm just gonna use one of these cute little laptops from Two Little Bees. I don't know why I'm like debating what color, maybe this like peachy color would be cute. And then on Sunday, honestly, that's all kind of like filled in already. I will go ahead and take maybe a little, do we have like a cute laundry icon here? I'm just gonna add a little laundry basket since that's one of my tasks to do on Sunday. I'm just gonna put like a little foiled laundry basket from Magic Prints Co. there. And that is really it, like super simple, keeping it really high level overview of the week. But I do think that looks stunning, and it's just like a cute way. As I always say, having like cute to-dos makes me more likely to look at them and thus more likely to actually get stuff done. So I love this. Let me know if you guys like it too, and if you'd want to see these every week. They might be a little boring to do every week, but I think once, you know, a couple times a month, it might be fun to do this. And so definitely leave me questions that I can answer while I do it below. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.